Hi everyone! Welcome to our orientation video about studying in Korea under full scholarship program.
So ano nga ba ang full scholarship?
So Jen, basically, covered ang tuition fee, free airfare, free Korean language training at may allowance pa.
So disclaimer lang ha, competitive siya, hindi lahat nakakapasok.
Yes. So kailangan prepare ka both academically and mentally.
So what do we look for? Right now, ang focus namin is for undergraduate for scholarship applicants. We also cater for graduate degree students.
So, if you are 18 to 24 years old, high school or senior high school graduate, 87 total GWA, with good academic standing,
So then possible na qualified ka.
then let's talk about student life.
Oo, usually tanong ng students, kamusta ang buhay sa Korea?
Jen, ang life doon sa Korea is always fast-paced but very rewarding.
You'll experience quality education, safe environment, and new culture.
Pero syempre, hindi rin siya easy. Kailangan mo talaga masipag at mag-adjust.
Another common question, pwede nga ba mag-part-time job sa Korea?
Yes po, allow siya for international students but
Kailangan may permission from school, limited hours, and dapat okay ang grades mo.
so don't worry guys, we'll explain this more in detail sa main orientation natin.
Now, let's be honest kahit full scholarship, may process pa rin yan.
Yes po, meron. And may fees involved for processing.
But don't worry, everything will be explained clearly and transparently.
Yes.
See you in our official orientation!
See you guys.